with the beauty that you are carrying. Wow.
Natutuwa ako, ha?
Parang
Diba?
workout.
Diba? With the beauty, of course, your height, and of course, your physique, diba? You're super duper, parang maalaga sa katawan. Kasi syempre, that's part of
Yes.
the marketability.
Oo
diba?
naman.
Parte
Health and
yan.
wellness.
Health and
Yeah.
wellness, diba? May girls nga na advocacy nila yan.
Yes.
Yung health and wellness, ganyan. I wanna ask, syempre, do you also receive bashings? Like, in a world, especially we're now in the era of digital thingy, parang do you also receive someone na nagbabash sa'yo?
Oh my
Ganyan.
gosh, of course.
Meron din.
Of course.
Diba? Oh, ang perfect na ng mukha niyan, Day.
Oo nga.
Go, share.
Siyempre, I believe that whenever you're doing something na parang iba, people will always have something to say. So, it is your job to just do it anyway because it's your life at the end
Right.
of the day.
Totoo.
Siyempre, if you're living a life of love and you're
Right.
being true to yourself,
Mhm.
then it's your life to live. Other people can just watch on the sidelines, but they're not the ones living your life.
Right.
So it's time that you put yourself first.
Yes.
Just ignore
That's-
the haters.
That's
Happy
where
people
Self-love.
Yes, diba?
Exactly.
Totoo.
Happy people do not bring down others.
Totoo po yan, diba? Kasi in a world that is full of insecurities through social media, diba? Parang people are very open to parang give a comment to someone
Yes.
without them thinking na, oh my God, baka mamaya itong taong to may pinagdadaanan pala. And that's the trigger point na kapag parang hindi niya na talaga kineri, diba? We can ruin someone's life.
Totoo.
Diba? Sa totoong buhay lang. And kaya ako tinatanong yun, alam mo kung bakit? Kasi diba silang mga beauty queen, actually, to be honest, to be very, very honest, they are not earning something when they join the competition or a pageant.
Yes.
It's really like a business na kailangan nilang
Sumugal.
to have a capital or
Yes.
investment, 'di ba? Tapos
Agree.
'di ba? Tapos yung pagtulong din nila sa mga ginagawa nila mga charity events ganyan, wala silang nakukuhang bayad doon.
Hindi lang siya pera that you're sacrificing, okay? You're sacrificing your time, ang puso mo.
Oh, alam mo
Energy.
Alam mo pageant yun yung kapag yes.
Mamaya gumanon ka na.
Oo, diba? Dinanas. Oo. Hindi pera, time, and of course, many sacrifices ang ibinibigay mo talaga, ganyan. Oo.
Pero that's the reason why it's so special.
And that's why it's so fulfilling, no? Kasi parang you're not
There's
getting anything, pero it's priceless, diba?
There's nothing like it.
Totoo.
Parang I can't compare the feeling.
Truly.